Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the old question papers in CA Foundation. Today we are selected November 2019. Which questions they are asked in production and cost. But first we are discussing about the first bit. Here AFC means average fixed cost for producing 8 units of output was 60 rupees. What is AFC at 6 units of output? Here they are not given any information about the TFC, but they are given only quantity and what about the output, means how many units of production they are producing, then how much they are spent for producing of 8 units of output. So here now we are taken quantity and AFC. So quantity is 8 units, AFC is 60. Then now we are going to analyze first what about TFC. How do we will get a TFC? If we are multiplying AFC into Q, then we will get TFC. So now we are multiplying these two, 60 into 8, 480. So 480 is the total fixed cost. Then now we need what about the AFC at 6 units. So quantity of units is 6. Then total fixed cost. Fixed cost, it is not a change certain period of time in the production activity. So fixed cost is constant. Then now we are using what about the formula for AFC. AFC equal to TFC by Q. So TFC is the 480 divided by Q is the 6 units. So what about if we are dividing these two, we'll get 80. So 80 rupees is the average fixed cost, 6 average fixed cost at units of output. So that is answer is 80. So option C. So here in first bit they are given only quantity and what about the average fixed cost. So actually average fixed cost we are analyzing, we are calculating through using of TFC by Q. But we don't have any formula separately, they are not mentioned. What about the what about the calculating of the TFC through using of AFC and Q. Now we are analyzing, if we are multiplying these two, then also we will get TFC. So otherwise if we are using for calculation of TFC, AFC compulsory we are having formula. So now we are used 2 formulas for calculation of AFC plus TFC, then we are analyzed the bit and then we got answer. So like that, based on the question, first we are prepare one table, then what they are asked for final answer, then use the formulas and we can use this formula and find out the answer. That is the first bit. Next, the second one is for 15 units of output, AC was 250, means average cost is 250 and FC per unit of output was 125. Then the AVC per at 15 units. So here quantity of output is 15 units. Then they are given directly AC. AC is also we can call as ATC. Then AC is 250 and FC is also they are given. FC per unit of output as 125. Then what about the average variable cost? So here they are given what about the quantity of output AC and as well as FC also. But we need AVC. How do we can calculate AVC? So AVC equal to, we are using formula for AVC, that is ATC minus AFC. So this is we are using formula, then find out the answer. So AVC, ATC is the 250 minus AFC is the 125. we are subtracting these 125 rupees in 250 means total average cost. Total average cost. Then we will get what about the remaining part is we can call as 125 is the answer for how much average variable cost per at 15 units. So for 15 units of output producing purpose, producer they are using 250 rupees of average cost. So average cost means we'll be having in this AC equal to FC means AFC plus AVC. Combinedly we'll be having in this AC. But in this AFC and AVC they are given only fixed cost, but they are not given variable cost. So for calculation of the variable cost we are using formula AVC equal to ATC minus AFC or AC minus AFC. Then we will get how much we will get, that is the what about the variable cost. So this is also they are asked in November 2019 CA entrance exam, CA foundation entrance exam. Next the third one is a firm producing 7 units of output has an AC is 150 means average cost is 150 and has to pay 350 to its fixed factors of production whether it produced or not. So here firm they are producing 7 units of output and average cost is 150 and they are paying 350 rupees to the factors of production, fixed factors of production, whether the firm is producing or not. How much of the ATC means AC is made up of variable cost. So here they are given quantity is 7 units, AC is 150 and they are paying fixed factors of production is 350 rupees. It is not an average fixed cost. It is total fixed cost because they are paying this amount completely to the factors, fixed factors of production. So don't confuse here. Here they are mentioned this 350 rupees to its factors of production. Fixed factors of production is nothing but total fixed cost. Then what about the variable cost? Then how to we are finding variable cost through using of here. Then we'll be having formula for calculation of this one, that is first we will calculate AFC means AFC formula is TFC by Q. TFC is the 350 divided by 7, 50 rupees. So 50 is the fixed cost. Then what about they are asking variable cost. What about the variable cost made up to the average total cost? Then if we are deducted, so then now we are following average variable cost formula, that is AC minus AFC. AC is the 150, AFC is the 50. If we are deducting this AFC in AC, then remaining is we can call as variable cost of average variable cost of the production. So here firm will be getting loss only. That's why they are trying to close their production activity. So here if firm producing 7 units of output, they are given only AC and they are paying 350 rupees to the fixed factors of production. Then whether the firm they are producing or not. Then if they are producing, how much of the AC is made up of variable cost. So for calculation of this one, first we are taking what they are given information, that is we are mentioning in one table, mean in schedule way, that is quantity, AC and TFC. Then we are calculating AFC based on the formula, that is TFC by Q. AFC we can calculate through using of TFC by Q. Then this AFC we are deducting in average average cost. Then we are getting remaining is we can call as average variable cost. So here we are discussed 3 bits in, they are asked in November 2019 for the entrance of CA foundation in production and cost. some more bits also we are asked. But here based on the question we are using formula for analyzing of the bit. That is must and should. That is must and should. So next bit in same topic. These bits also they are asked in November 2019 for the entrance of CA Foundation. That is the first they are given one schedule or one table. Here output TP MP they are given. Based on this, first solve this table, then on the basis of table we are analyzing what about the correct answer for each and every question. So here, so they are given first, so they are given output in first column, second column TP MP. So first unit of production they are producing, total production is 1 unit, the variable factor they are using, then they are producing 10 units of total production, and marginal production is also 10, and second unit they are second factor they are using. Then what about the total product? They are not given, and MP they are given. MP is the additional product, means additional means only second factor only producing these 8 units of output. If we are adding these two, then we will get a total product. Then third factor they are used and total product is 24. Then what about the additional product? Additional product is nothing but only third factor. How do we will get a third factor? Change in total product divided by change in quantity of number of labors are variable factor. So here change in total product is 6. Change in variable factor is 1. So equal to 1. 6 is the marginal product. So based on this information, now we are going to do the bits here. So first bit, what means? Next bit is what is the marginal product of third unit of output? Marginal product of third unit of output is 6. So option A is the correct answer. So easily we can do through, first we can solve this table, then easily we can find out the answer. Next one is what is the TP of producing second unit of output? So already we have solved, that is 18. So option C is the correct answer. Next one is what is the AP of first 3 units of output? What is the AP of 3 units of output? Means here we are not calculated what about the average product. Now we can calculate. So output TP MP AP 1 2 3 10 18 24 10 8 6. So here AP is 10. AP formula is TP by Q. That is already we know that. So through using of this formula, 18 by 2 is the 9 and 24 by 3 is the 8. Third unit of average product is option A is the correct answer. So now we are, if we know what about the formulas for calculation of the TP, MP, AP, then easily we can find out the what about the correct option in this question. So this is very easy for seeing, but in exam they are asking many times also. Even in last November also they are asked for the entrance of CA Foundation. If you are following this type of formulas on the situation easily when you are using, then easily you can find out the answer. Then easily you will get 3 marks for this bit. So thank you students. Some more important previous question papers we will discuss in next videos. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel. You will get directly videos to you because we are discussing previous question papers also, and share to your friends and give likes also. Thank you students.